Hindi, may usap pa. Padalang ko yan.
Tatay. Okay, pinita ko na sa tatay. Padala ni Ate Patit tsaka ni Kuya Atan. Surprise na sa'yo. Surprise gift. Bilis ka muna tayo. Dyan na lang. Saglit lang naman to.
Saglit lang naman po.
Bukas tayo. Yan. Ito po ko na.
Ano ano to na? May kanta to to. Pupo kayo tayo.
Yan. Bakit tayo. Yan.
Wow, teka anak, tanggalin mo naman yung sinampay, kapangit.
Okay, kahit ano lang po hawakan niya, ma'am, yung balon
Ano
niya.
lang pala balon. Yan.
Ngayon, kasama kang tawad to, tay. Balikan dala po ito sa inyo, galing sa Japan. Kanta-kanta ko kayo, tay, ha?
Ganyan pa yan. Nakasandal sa'yo. Yung balon mo.
Request ko ito.
Wow! Tawa naman pa!
That when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would leave me behind, and that's when my mother and spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs it would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'll play a song that will never ever end. I will love, 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 dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen inside a door.
Kikita ni Nathan yan.
I hear my mother cry to him. I pray for her even more than me.
Smile.
I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but you could send back the only man she loved. I know you don't do it usually, but you know she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever need. Tatlong kanta po ito tayo.
Kanta ka pa.
Request po ito, request.
Ayun.
Yan. Padala yan ni Ate Patit tsaka ni Kuya Atan. From Japan.
Engelbert po yata paborito nyo, sir, ano?
Favorite ni tatay.
Okay, doon tatay, Engelbert Humperdinck.
Ano nga pa paborito mong kanta? Anong paborito mong kanta? Anong paborito mong kanta?
Engelbert.
Engelbert?
Ito, kantahin ko na. Didinig naman tatay, no?
Kaya niya daw dali na.
I can remember when
Maganda siya.
we walked together, sharing a love I thought would last forever. Would like to show the way so we can follow. Waiting inside her eyes was my tomorrow. Something changed her mind, Lisa told me. I had a love and all Engelbert pa rin po ito.
Yay!
Engelbert pa rin ito, tara. Love me with all of your heart, that's why I want love. Love me with all of your heart, oh not at all. Just promise me that you give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are apart, oh when you need me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment, for an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday,
Tatay.
happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday.
Tay, ano pa masasabi niyo, Tay?
Happy birthday to
Me.
Yay!
Tatay. Padala po yan ni ano, sir. Ito pala pang ano,
Salamat ka pa.
galing po kay sir.
Pa, thank you. Thank you sa mga anak mo, kay Pati, sa kay
Yan,
salamat.
dahil birthday mo ngayon, Tay. Nanalo ka na. Ayan, hawakan mo.
10,000 pesos.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Happy birthday, Tatay!
Salamat ka kay Pati at saka kay
Galing kay Ate
anak.
Pati at Kuya Atan yan. Kahit malayo sila, gusto nilang iparating sa inyo. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka nila.
Oh, ito pa tayo, binigay ni GR, 1.5.
Ayan, binigay din ni JR, 1,500.
1.5 din tayo, binigay ni GR.
Kahit nasa malayo sila, hindi ka nila nalilimutan.
Thank you, kamo.
Ano mo sabi mo kay Ate Pati at kay Kuya Atan?
Maraming salamat.
Opo, Tatay. Naka-video ko, Tatay, yung
Thank you,
ano.
kami.
Ah,
yun. Ayos.
Ang aso nagkakihap.
Hindi tayo.
Ang ingay mo. Batukan. Yan yan.
Picture na sa tatay, picture natin.
Kakain ka.
Salamat po.
yan. Ito. Blower candle mo, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay.
How old are you? 55 years.
85 na siya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Yan. Naway, bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay.
Yes, makakabot pa 100.
Bata pa yung tatay.
Yan. Pogi pa.
Oo.
Di mo, tisuyo.
Kaya pa yan.
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 Hawakan mo lang.
Thank you
Okay
pa tayo,
na,
ha?
Nanay. Pinarating lang namin yung
Wala
sabi
man
ni ate, ha?
nakakita kung